Hey guys, before we jump in, I just wanted to let you know that the price for this little mini camera is changing all the time. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In this video, we're taking a look at this mini wireless camera. Now, this is the camera right here. You can see there's that motion sensor on the front as well as the actual camera. And the camera itself is so nice and small. Now, this is a wireless camera. It can run off battery, but you could also go ahead and plug it in and hardwire it as well. There is a USB port right here, which you have an included USB cable right there. And you could also go ahead and plug in a micro SD card if you would like. But guys, overall a great camera, and they even include a mount for you. So if you would like to mount this and maybe set it up in a more permanent location, you certainly could. Now, I've been using this camera for a few weeks now, and I wanted to give you kind of an update on my experience with this camera. I've noticed that it sends notifications to my phone every time it notices activity or movement, and I love that about this camera. I went ahead and hooked it up to the app, which was very easy and just a matter of connecting it to the app, and now I get those notifications so I can be alerted when there's motion or activity around the camera. Overall, a great little security camera or pet camera, and I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.